Hi guys. Hi guys. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, we'll start session. Yes, today topic Java installation. Yes. So first one, yes, installing Java. Next, setting environment variables. Setting environment variables. First installing Java. Next, setting environment variables. Next, Eclipse. Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Next one, steps to develop Java application. So this is today's topic. Okay. So first installing Java. First one installing Java. See command prompt. Yes, Java C. Yes, here Java C with Java compiler it's available. So Java C, Java hyphen version. Okay, checking for version. Yes, it's available. So currently Java is available. Java C, 6 plus Java it's available. Yes, let us remove existing setup. Yes, freshly we'll set up this apps and features. See this apps, Windows search, apps and features. Yes, this one shows what are the applications set up in our system, apps and features. Here, these are the applications in my system. So these are the applications. See, Java 8, uninstall. Yes, it's preparing to remove. 1 second here. Yes. Yes, uninstall this also. One second. Yes, uninstalled. Okay. Now command prompt. Go to command prompt. Here now checking Java C. See that command not found. Command not found. The Java remote. Next one more. Setup is finished. Advanced system settings. Denote variables. Delete. Edit. Yes, existing setup deleted, including variables deleted. Completely variables including environments completely remote. Complete remote. Including variables completely remote. So Java C series. Java C is not recognized internal or external commands. Java C is not recognized internal or external commands. Here it's not recognized commands. I mean, Java is not available here. Java is not available. Yes, completely remote. Completely remote. Okay. Yes. Now how to install Java? See, softwares. So JDK software already shared our Google Drive. Yes, same thing today. Yes, in group I sent a message. Okay. See, 1 second. 1 second, just a minute. Yes. See, this is MN core Java. This kind of completely material. Complete Java material and software. See here first starting with JDK 1.8. JDK 1.8. JDK 1.8. Java 8. Java 8. Next we'll see Java 9 and 11, 13. So Java 8. Java 8. Yes, next this is our class documents. 1 second. 1 second. Recently modified. Let me update. Upload document here. Java. Yes, 24th November updated. Recently updated. Yeah, these are the things in this. MN course of folder. Yes, on this access given. Share. Yes, share to Gmail. Yes, shared here. Okay, yes. See, for example, okay, MN 11. For example, suppose share it to this Gmail ID. Sent. Shared. Okay, share it to MN 11 Gmail ID. Then how to download all of the things? Yes, you guys, how can you download it? Simply first login. Yes, okay. Let us close all this. Yes, open browser. First open browser. Yes, open browser. Yes, inbox. Log into your Gmail. 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 Yes, after login here. See this here you can see. Yes, via Google Drive. Yes, MN Drive course are shared. Okay, see here this is alert message. Yes, this is here MN Drive course of for share rights, but you cannot download from this. Yes, don't go to this one. MN Drive course Java. Yes, don't go to this. Yes, don't go to this here. Go to your Google Drive. Yes, after login to Gmail ID, after login to your Gmail, yes, you are registered the Gmail ID. After login to whatever mail ID you have given, that mail ID. Okay. So go to log into your Gmail ID. After login here, yes, go to Google Drive. Yes, this shared via Google Drive. So Google Drive, go to your Google Drive. Go to Drive here. Go to Google Drive. Yes, in Google Drive here, share with me. Yes, open this. Share with me. Share with me. Here you can see mnrep core Java, right? mnrep core Java folder. Yes, here you can see mnrep core Java folder. Here you can see folder. Okay. So this folder, open this folder. Yes, in this folder you can see all of these things. That's it. Okay. So mnrep core Java folder. Just open that you can see. Even recordings are the same. Recordings drive on this one, both same. Shared with me. Shared with me. Yes, open shared with me. Here mnrep core Java. Okay. Yes. Open that. Okay. Here you can see all the softwares. Okay. Yes. Now JDK software. Right click downloads. Right click downloads. Right click downloads. Suppose something here I'm downloading here. So download. Right click download here. Yes, this is right click downloads. Right click download. So one by one. Now currently here JDK 8. Just to download JDK 8 from your Google Drive. JDK 8 and Eclipse. JDK 8 and Eclipse and your class document. These three things just to download it. Download JDK 8. Next download Eclipse. Next download your class documents. Download these things. Okay. Download all of these things here. Download all of these things. Download this. Okay. Once download here, all of these things here. Right click download. Right click download. Yes. Right click downloads. So next here Eclipse also. Right click downloads. Right click downloads. Now go to downloads folder. It's all of these things. Yes. Here. See. So in the folder. Yes. Here. Open this. Okay. Downloads folder. Downloads folder. Yes. Open that downloads folder. Okay. Yes. No, no. No, here I have shared it through the Google Drive. That is through the Google Drive. Google Drive. Share it through the Google Drive. Okay. Yes, one more thing here. One important point here I have to mention here. See, online team will give the Gmail IDs. Who paid? Only paid members. Okay, only paid members will be getting all this. Okay, paid who are paid, fee paid members. For this in Google Drive, it will be there. Okay, Google Drive. Okay. Yes, download from the Google Drive. Yes, once you download it, yes, not from Gmail. You can't download from the Gmail. Google Drive. How? See, it's a open source means, of course, Java is not open. Java is a freeware. Open source is different. Freeware is different. Stavani. Open source is different. Freeware is different. Java is a freeware, not a open source. Open source means, yes, such open source means that code we can modify. Java, how JV was written, JV we cannot modify. Java is not open source. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware, free of cost. You can download. Okay, I have shared it with Google Drive. Yes, you can download from Google Drive only. Yes, download from the Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, right click download. You can see all of these things in downloads folder. Here's a downloads folder. Here you can see. Okay, so from this cut here, cut from this, just the cut from this and paste in the C drive. Cut and paste in C drive. Paste in C drive. Place in the C drive. Okay. Yes, all of these things place in the C drive. Okay. So place in the C drive. Now see this C drive here. See JDK software available in C drive. Yes, JDK software. One second, refresh. C drive. Here JDK software. Here it says JDK software. JDK 8, JDK 9, JDK. Now currently JDK. JDK 8 software available. Okay, next. See Eclipse. Both are available here. So place into C drive here. Okay, one second. Let me open your class document. D drive. Hemendra Java. Yes, core Java. This is a recent document. Yes. See installation. Yes. Installation. Java installation. See from the beginning. See starting all this introduction completed. Okay. Next, Java features. Yes, independent of platform. Exe file dot class will is completed. Next, about this also beginning classes completed. Yes, E, W, M, E, F, X. These things beginning classes completed. All of these things completed. Okay. Yes, next here. So this is today topic is this. See, this is version. There are different versions in Java. That version wise features at the end we'll discuss. At the end. Okay. Yes, here installing Java and paths. Today topic is this. This is today topic. So installing Java and path setting. Installing Java and path setting. This is today topic here. So place JDK into C drive. Yes, in document very clearly it says just to follow the documents and follow the recording also. Okay, follow the recording. Okay, follow Java documents as well recording here. Both. Yes, today recording I'll share in yes WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. Today recording I'll share in WhatsApp group. Just you can watch it. Okay, next. Yes, yes, for most of the case already drive access given. Yes, out of 20 members, most of the case were paid. I think maybe 16, 70 members were paid here. Only 2 or 3 members not paid. Except 2 or 3 members sent to everyone. Okay. Yes. So here installing Java. So this today recording I'll share in WhatsApp group. Okay. For almost all drive access given. Drive access given here. Okay. Yes. Suppose who don't have the drive access, they can watch from the WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Today recording I'll share in the WhatsApp. Okay. You can watch it. Yes. Installing Java and path setting. Installing Java and path setting. So first place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click next close. See place JDK. 1 second. Yes. See this is JDK. So first step place JDK into Google Drive. Yes, sorry. Refresh. Refresh. Yes, this is your JDK. JDK. So first place JDK into Google. Yes, yes. This is D drive here or C drive, whichever you want. So C drive is recommended. Okay. JDK into C drive. So C drive, see this. Yes, C drive is recommended for the softwares. D drive for your files and folders. Suppose your personal files and material, any documents are there, you can use D drive. For that case, you can use D drive, T drive. Okay, C drive for the softwares. D drive for your documents and all this here, personal documents on this. C drive. Always use C drive for the software installation. Use C drive. Use C drive for the software installation. C drive. So place this your JDK in C drive here. Double click. Double click. Double click next yes. Double click next yes. It's very simple. Okay. Now see this. Yes, installing 8. So first 8. Next we'll go to 9. After finishing 8, next 9, 11, 13. So 1 by 1 we'll discuss. So 8. Yes, click on next. Click on next. Click on next here. Click on next. When you click on next, see what is location here? Yes, install to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8 like this. See this install to C drive, program files, Java, JDK, C drive program files, C drive program files, Java, C drive program files, Java. See C drive, open C drive. Yes, program files here, Java folder. Check for this. J, Internet Explorer, J, JetBrains. Yes. Here don't have the Java folder. Don't have Java folder. Okay. See, C drive program file Java folder under the JDK. See, next, click on next. See, now it will generate Java folder here. See, Java folder. Yes, see this Java folder generated. Java folder generated. Okay. See, 26th November. Yes, 6/27. Just now generated. Java folder created. Okay. So next JRE. So JDK completed now. Yes, open Java folder. Open see this JDK. JDK generated. In Java folder JDK generated. What is next here? JRE. So next same location JRE. So click on next here. Click on next. See JRE generated. So JDK, JRE both. Okay. So once JDK install here, JDK, JRE, you'll get all of these things. JDK, JRE, JVM. The differences we'll discuss next. JDK, JRE, and JVM. Yes, yeah. Oh, yes, Stravani, yes, if you want to go download from Google Drive, you can go. Yes, you can go like this. Google Drive. Yes, sorry, not Google, Google. Yes, here download JDK like this from the Google. Download. Yes, go to this here, open this. Yes, but here you must have Oracle account. You must have the Oracle account. You must have the Oracle account. Without Oracle account, you cannot download it. So first you have to create Oracle account. Okay. So Oracle account. Yes, through the Google. Through the Google. Yes, you're asking through the Google. So download JDK 1.8. Okay, downloading this is. See, yes. Yes, RT. Yes, Arcade downloads. JDK 8. Open this. Yes, you must have Oracle account here. This account. Now here, see Windows 64. See last one. From this you can download. Okay, download this is. Okay, this is downloading. From this you can download. Yes, for this is Oracle account required. Yes, Oracle account required. Yes, I have created Oracle accounts. Yes, through our company I have created. Sign in. Like that you can. Yes, it's a freeware, not to open source. Okay, JDK it's a freeware. It's a freeware, not don't say open source. It's a freeware, means free of cost. You can download. That is through the Google. That is through the Google. Okay. Yes, but you must have this account here. That Oracle account you must have. Okay, Oracle account. Otherwise you cannot. Okay. Yes. See successfully completed. See successfully installed. So close. Okay. It's very simple here. See, place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click. Next close. Place JDK into C drive. Double click on JDK. Next close. Or already over. Okay, so JDK installed here. JDK installed. Okay, JDK installed. Installation is done. Okay. Yes. So this is installing Java. So first part is done. It's over. Simply JDK, place JDK into C drive, place JDK in C drive, double click, next close, over. Okay. Yes. So the JDK installing at this location, C drive, program files, Java folder. Yes, here JDK 1.8, JDK and GRE. So this is location. Open JDK. Yes, you can see. Yes, pin contains all Java commands. See Java, all the Java commands. Okay, next here lib contains all Java library here. This is Java. C drive, program files, Java folder, JDK. This contains all of this is here. That's it. This is location where Java installed. Okay, right. So place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click. Next close. Over. Installation complete. Yes, after that. Next, environment variables for Java. Setting environment variables. So how to set it here? Simple here. Your Windows OS, Windows 10. Here this PC, right? This PC icon here. You can see this PC. Right click on this PC properties. Right click on this PC properties. Yes, right click on this PC properties. Yes, that opens properties window. Okay, right click on this PC properties. So properties, these are properties. Okay, see, right click on this PC. Yes, now you have setting environment variables. Now setting environment variables. Setting environment. So right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Next, select properties. Select properties option. Select properties. Yes, properties opens like this. Okay. See, in your system, you'll see different layout, not this one here. In my system, something different showing this is, but in your system, you can see like this here. Windows 10. Yes, right click on this PC, select properties. Right click on this PC, select properties. Okay. Yes, you can see. This is properties window. Okay. So right click on this PC, select properties. You can see this is a properties window. You can see this properties like this. Properties. Okay, like processor. What's a processor? Next, what is RAM memory? Next, what is your OS? These are all the system, your OS properties. OS properties. You can see this type of window. Okay. See, in my system, differently showing. See, I'm repeating once again. See, right click on this PC, properties. Right click on this PC, properties. Okay. See, in document also same thing explained here. See, Windows 10, Windows 10, right click on this PC, select properties. Yes, you can see this window. In your system, you can see these properties. These were OS properties window. Okay, from this advanced, select advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Okay. Yes, in my system showing differently. It's not like that here. Yes, in your system, you can see this window. This window. In your system, you can see this window. In this advanced system settings, click on advanced system settings. Click here. Click this. Once you click this, it opens this next window. So this is, yes, advanced system properties. See this. Direct I'm going. Advanced here. From the search also you can go to that. Advanced system settings. See this same. Advanced system settings. Okay. Yes, here environment variables. So this is select this. Okay. Select environment variables. Same thing, very clearly prepared in document. It's very simple, very clearly prepared in document here. Very clearly prepared here. Okay. Simple, very simple steps. No confusion. Very simple steps. Okay. Very simple steps. Okay. Place JDK. Yes. Place JDK into C drive. Place JDK in C drive. Double click. Next, close. Over. Installation is done. Double click JDK. Place JDK into C drive. After double click. Next, close. Finished. After that, yes, right click on this PC. Select properties. You can see properties window like this. From this advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Yes, that opens window like this. Yes, see this. Advanced system settings. From this environment variables, click here. Okay, see this same. Here, see this. Environment variables. Environment variables. Okay, see this. In this environment variables here, there are two things. User variable for MN-RAW. User variable for MN-RAW. Next, system variables. What's the difference? Okay. Yes, user variable for MN-RAW. Okay. Yes, user variable for MN-RAW. User variable for MN-RAW. Next, system variables. What's the difference here? What's the difference? See, user variable for MN-RAW. MN-RAW is a current login. Here, MN-RAW. MN-RAW is a current login. It's a current login. Yes, Windows, multiple users. There are multiple logins. Okay. There are in Windows, there are multiple logins. Multiple logins here. Now, current login is MN-RAW. Current login is MN-RAW. Yes. User variable for MN-RAW. Suppose if you define variable here, if variables are defined here, okay. Yes, Java environment variables are defined here. Suppose if Java environment variables are defined here, only this MN-RAW user can use Java. Other users cannot use. Windows, there are multiple logins. In Windows, we can create multiple logins. What is current login? MN-RAW. In Windows system, we can create multiple logins. So current login is MN-RAW. Current login is here MN-RAW. Yes. If variables, Java variable defined here, only this MN-RAW user means current login user can use that Java. Others cannot. Use. Okay. Next, system variable. What is system variable? This system level means all users can use. If variables defined here, if Java variables are defined here, all login users can use. Not only current login here, every user. It's a system level settings. Here. Every user can use that. So go for system variables. Yes. So I recommend this way. This one here, system variables. So in real time using system variables and here. System variables. Once you define here, All users can use. Every user can use. Once you define here, every user can use. Every user can use here. All login users. Now system variables. In system variables here, see here new. Select new. Select new. Select new. Yes, variable name. Yes, Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Next value. Java underscore home. Variable name is Java underscore home. Yes, variable value. So what's a value here? Location. Go to Java location, C drive. In C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8. So these are paths where your Java installed. The JDK paths. Okay, JDK paths. Take these paths. Take these paths. Take these paths and paste here. That's it. So variable name Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Variable name. Yes, 1 second. So variable name, it is Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Okay, next value. So value. So this is a value. Yes, what this I'll explain. Okay, here this is Java home. Yes, is equal to. So this is. So this Java home path, JDK location. Okay. Yes. So this is variable name Java home. Next variable value this is the JDK path. Okay. Fine. Yes, sir. 1 second. After this here, next path. Go to paths. So Java home is done. After Java home, see, go to document, see this new. In document, I'll say new, click on new, click on new. Yes, variable name, Java home. Variable name, Java home. Value, C drive program file, Java JDK 1.8. Value, variable name, Java home. Its value, this is that location. Okay, see variable name and value, that's it. See in document, step by step, very clearly prepared. In document, step by step, very clearly prepared. Just to follow documents, and follow recording also. Okay. So Java home is right. So click on OK. Done over. Click on OK. Done. So Java home is over. The Java home is over. Right. Next what path? Path. Path. Next after Java home, next path. Path. Path is already existing path. Java home is a new variable. Java home is a new variable. For that reason, new is here. New is to create new variable. Java home is a new variable. Now path is existing paths. All existing paths. Path is already existing. If already existing, edit. See, don't delete path here. If you deleted path, your OS itself will not work here. OS fails. Don't delete path here. If you deleting path here, OS itself will not work. It's dangerous. Don't delete path here. Okay, edit. Path, edit. Edit path. Now what is this path here? This is OS path to the OS path here. See first program data Oracle. Yes, next test product. This is Oracle software. So Oracle software installed. So Oracle path is added to OS path. This whole thing is OS path. In this OS path, first Oracle path here. Oracle paths. Just like this, different software, different paths. See, Catalina home means the Tomcat server. In my system, Tomcat server installed Tomcat path. This is next Scala. Yeah, the big data related Scala instance, so Scala path added. Next Python soft Python path. So next Java home. 1 second. Java home, yes. Next Putty. Now we should add the Java paths. See, these are softwares, different softwares installed that paths were added here. Okay, now new. Yes, percentage. Yes, Java underscore Java percentage. Java underscore home. Yes, next. Yes, percentage /bin. So this is okay. So this is 1 second. So what does it mean? I'll explain. Just a minute. So percentage Java underscore home %bin. Okay. See this challenge. Okay. See, this is Oracle software. So Oracle path added. Next Tomcat software. So Tomcat path at Catalin underscore home bin. The Tomcat bin, Scala bin. Next Python like this. Put the software now. Java software added here. That's it. So okay, done. Okay, yes. See this next path. Yes, select path variable, then edit. Select path variable. See this path. So this is for select path, edit. Click on edit. Click on edit. Okay. Yes, next new. Next new. New. Yes. Java from when. Click on OK. Done. So click on OK, OK. Or completed. That's it. Okay. Yes, that's it. Yes. Finally, I'm repeating once again. Once again, repeating here. Yes, take JDK. Okay. Yes, JDK soft JDK 8. Yes, you can download from my Google Drive or else go to Oracle using Oracle account. Go to Oracle site. Yes, go to Oracle site. From that also you can download. Okay. So JDK 8, JDK 8, JDK 8. Double click on this. Next finish. Nothing is very simple. JDK. Double click on JDK. Double click. Double click. Next finish. Over. Next double click. Next close. Over. Okay, after installing cap. Next what? Variable setup. Yes, right click on this PC. Properties. Right click on this PC. Properties. Okay. Yes, you can see properties window like this. Right click on this PC. Properties. The properties window. Yes, properties window. Right click on this PC. Properties. In this advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Okay, from this environment variables. Open this. Next, go to system variables. Don't use user variable. Go for system variables. Yes, in this new variable. So first Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Next value. What's a value here? Value. Yes. C drive. C drive. Yes, C drive. Yes, program files. Yes, next here Java folder. JDK folder. So this is path. Yes, click here. Click here. There's a path. Just copy that path. Copy that path here. Yes, place here. Paste. So click on OK. Yes, over. Okay. Next path. Yes, edit paths. Edit path. Now we are adding Java paths. So these are different paths. For every software that path should be added. Java path added here. New. Use new. Use new. Yes, here percentage. Yes, percentage Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Yes, next percentage /bin. So click on OK. Okay. Yes, or done. Completed. So this is path setting. So path setting is over. Okay. Now 1 second. See what does it mean here. This is what does it mean here. See Java home equal to right. Now percentage Java home means in place of this one here. Yes, in place of these Java home paths. So percentage Java underscore home percentage means in place of that getting this value. So finally path value becomes like this, including bin. Now here question is here. Yes, is the interview question. Interview question is yes, what is purpose of path setting? This is the question. Yes, what's the purpose of path setting in Java? Yes, why we have to set the path? What's the purpose of path setting in Java? Let us see. 1 second. Yes, what is the purpose? So what's the purpose of path setting in Java? This is a question. Yes, compulsory interview question. 100% this question. Yes. What's the purpose? Yes. See, CMD, command prompt. See here, set Java underscore home. That value is equal to, see this, Java home equal. Next, set path. Yes, that value is here. Set path. This is complete paths. Suppose here I'm submitting some extra that command not found. How? Yes. XYZ is not a recognized command. Yes, how it based on what displaying not found here. See, when you submit it like this, we is looking for XYZ in this path, in total path. See this is first path. Up to semicolon is first path. Up to semicolon is one path. Next semicolon is another path. So for every software, for the first software, this is a path. Next software, next path. Next software, next path. Semicolon is a path. Okay. Semicolon is between semicolon is a path. Very complete paths. Suppose this is some Tomcat path here. Yes, next this is semicolon after C drive program for scale up bin, scale up path here. Yeah, this is a Python path like this. See, these are Java paths. Java paths. Okay. Now XYZ, once you submit XYZ here, who is looking for XYZ at this location? For example, let us see this location. C drive program data, Oracle, Java, Java path. Yes, one let me copy this, edit, copy. Yes, go to here. Yes, now. Yes. So this is a path, right? Enter. See this. See at this location, XYZ is not found. You see at this path, once you submitted any command here, who is looking for XYZ at this first path? Here it's not available. Here it is at this location. XYZ is not available. Not available. If not available, looking for next one. Next one, not available like this. Yes, if nowhere found here, top to bottom in different paths, looking for XYZ, nowhere found. So XYZ is not found. Yes, once you submitted Java C, what happens? See Java C commands submitted. It's working, right? Java C command is working. Okay, see this. How it's working here. So Java C. Now who is looking for Java C at the first path? At the first path, not available. Next path, not available. Okay, so next path, not available. Like this, next, like this. Looking for the Java C in different locations here. Finally, yes, it's available here. C drive program file Java JDK bin right. See this part. Yes. See Java home bin right. For this path getting these are paths. Inside a path. Yes, we did the path set like this, set up like this. Java home bin. In place of Java home, this value. So that value backslash bin. So this path, right? This path. This path. See this path. C drive program files Java JDK 1.8 bin right. This path here. Okay, so this path, yes, is right click paste that path. You see that bin, see a bin Java C, it's available. That's it. Yes, inside the bin location, checking for the Java C, it's available. It's available. It's available. Okay, Java C here it's available. Okay, yes. Now here, so Java C is working. Java C is working because it's available, right? So what's the purpose of path setting? Question is what's the purpose of path setting here? Yes, this is to identify the location of softwares. Yes, OS to identify the location of Java software. Okay, yes, OS to identify the location of Java software. So Java install, then Java path you have set. Suppose Hadoop install, Hadoop path. Oracle installed, Oracle path. Scala installed, Scala path. Python installed, Python path. Okay, so for every software you have to set the path, otherwise cannot identify here. Okay, so what's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? Not only for Java, any software, what's the purpose? What's the purpose of path setting? Yes, ways to identify the location of Java software. Okay, ways to identify the location of software, we need to set the path. That is the purpose of path setting. Yes, is interview question, important question, compulsory asking this question. Okay, so ways is to identify the location of Java software. To identify the location of Java software, you have to set the path here. That's it. Okay, next Java version. Check for the version. What's the version installed here? Java version. Check for the version. See 1.8, right? 1.8 installed. That's it. So JDK 1.8 installed, Java 8 installed. That's it. So this is yes, installing Java and path setting. So installing Java completed, setting environment variables completed. Next Eclipse. Next Eclipse. So what is Eclipse here? Eclipse, yes, it is an IDE. So what is IDE here? IDE stands for integrated, yes, integrated development environment. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. So what is integrated means linking. Integrated means linking here. See this Eclipse ID already linked with Java. Yes, Eclipse ID already linked with Java here. So ID integrated development environment. Okay. Yes. For Java application development, you can see Eclipse ID. Like this different kind of some IDs here. For example, here Python, PyCharm ID. Suppose C language, Turbo C. Turbo C is ID. Okay, Turbo C ID. Their ID is here. Integrated development environment. That ID, yeah, that ID linked with your software, JDK, JRE, JVM, Java compile all ID. Okay, that ID is already linked. That ID already linked with all the softwares. That is ID here, meaning. Okay, yes. Now, how to set up Eclipse? Now let us go to Eclipse here. Eclipse. See Eclipse. Eclipse. 1 second. Yes, most of the cases are facing issue in Eclipse here. Very simple. WinRAR software must be installed in your system. WinRAR software. Yes, if not installed, you can't see like this. Eclipse. Yes, it's a zip software. It's a zip. Yes, Eclipse is zip file. Yes, to extract this, you must have this. To extract this, you must have this WinRAR software. First install WinRAR software, then extract here. So if not in the, if you don't have WinRAR software, it looks like a folder like this type of folder here. Yes, if you don't have WinRAR software, yes, you can see like a folder. That is not a folder, it's a zip file. It's a zip that WinRAR software requires. Yes, today I think some girl asked. Yes, I'm unable to see Eclipse like this. Yes, he is able to see like a folder. It's open like a folder. Reason WinRAR software is not available. In our system, WinRAR software not available. This is minimum in Windows OS minimum WinRAR software. You have to install WinRAR software. WinRAR software required compulsory. So install it here. It's very simple. Go to Google. From the Google you can download. Okay, download WinRAR software. Very simple. In Google, from the Google, download WinRAR. Just download WinRAR. See WinRAR for Windows 10. WinRAR software. Okay, this is WinRAR software. This is WinRAR download. Here there is a download. From this you can download. From this you can download. Okay, that's it here. Okay, here download it. Yes, next install. Download. So this WinRAR software application. Double click. Next. Yes, next finish is install. Installing WinRAR software. That's it. Over. So installing WinRAR software is like that. Just install it here. Download, double click, next finish. Over. WinRAR software. After WinRAR software, then Eclipse. Now you can see like this icon, this color. Yes, it's a zip file. Zip file. See, JDK is installer. JDK application is installer. This is. Yes, if it is installer, double click, next finish. Yes, installer. If it is installer, double click, next finish. But this zip file, it's a zip. It's a zip. If it is zip here, right click, extract here. Right click, extract here. That's it. It's a zip file here. Windows zip archive file. Zip archive file. That WinRAR zip archive file. Right click, extract here. 1 second. See, already Eclipse folder available in my system. Eclipse. Yes, let me delete this one here existing. Yes, deleting that existing Eclipse folder. Yes, delete it. Refresh, delete it. Now Eclipse J Neon 3. So this is here. This is shared to your Google Drive. From the Google Drive, take it and right click, extract here. Right click, extract here. Right click. Then yes. Yeah, right click, extract here. Then yes. Mr. Krishnakant, I think I already shared to you. Yes, you 8 p.m. batch, right? From 8 p.m. batch, you changed. Already shared your Google Drive. Check it. Krishnakant. Yes. I think already shared. Check it. Check the Google Drive. If not, just you can ping me. Yes, check the Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. Check it. If not, just you can ping me. I can share once again. Okay. Yes. Yes. Next here. See Eclipse folder here. Extracted. Refresh. Refresh. See this is Eclipse folder extracted here. Double click and open. Eclipse folder opens. Eclipse extracted. Nothing, just right click extract here. Right click extract here. Right click extract here. See Eclipse icon here. This Eclipse icon. Eclipse icon. Right click send to desktop. Right click send to desktop. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. Okay. See on desktop, see Eclipse shortcuts. Two shortcuts always. Old one and new one. 1 second. Refresh. Sort by name. Series Eclipse. Eclipse folder. Yes, open Eclipse folder, right click, send to desktop. Send to desktop. Yes, now go to desktop series. Eclipse shortcuts. Okay, send to desktop, then create shortcut on desktop. Okay, yes. And Eclipse part completed. Okay, so this is completed. So these 3 steps completed. Next, steps to develop Java application. Steps to develop Java application. How to develop this? Let us see. Steps. Steps to develop Java application. Steps to develop Java application. Okay, 1 second. Just a minute. Yes. Steps to develop Java application. First one, yes, create workspace. Create workspace. Create workspace. Step 1, create workspace. Step 1, create workspace. Next, step 2, yes, create a project. Create a project. Step 2, create a project. Step 2, create a project. So create workspace. Step 1, create workspace. Step 2, create a project. Okay, next. Step 3, create a package. So create a package. So create a package. Yes, after creating package, next create a class. Yes, create a class. Create a class. Yes, after creating class, next create, yes, create methods. Inside the class, create methods. So these are the 5 steps. Yes, even 5 steps are very simple steps. Don't worry. They are simple steps. Yes, go to documents. See all the installation steps. Just to follow this document here. All the installation steps. All the steps here. The path also. Checking for Java install Java version. This is Eclipse setup. Yes. See here, what's the purpose of path setting here? Operating system to identify the location of Java. Okay. Eclipse setup. Take Eclipse zip archive file, place in the C drive. Right click extract here. Yes, next. Yes, open Eclipse folder. Right click on Eclipse icon, send to desktop. So that will create shortcut desktop here. Okay. Now working with Eclipse. Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Yes, Java compiler, JRE, JVM are integrated to Eclipse automatically. Okay, see this. That model, project steps. Yes, create workspace, create project, create package, create a class. Yes, next methods, 5 steps. So first creating workspace, step 1. Let us start. Step 1, creating workspace. How to create workspace? Create workspace. So create workspace. Creating workspace. How to create workspace? Step 1, creating workspace. Yes. for this launch Eclipse first of all. Launch Eclipse. Creating workspace, launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse. Yes. Now you can see it's asking for workspace. It's asking for workspace. It's asking for a workspace. Okay. Yes, workspace. C drive uses MN So this at this path name is workspace. But don't go for this path. Just change the location. Change location here. Yes. How to change location? Suppose take D drive. In D drive, create one folder. Suppose test folder. Create a test folder. So that's your wish. If you want your name, you can create with your name. Suppose Durga folder. Okay. So create folder like this. Create folder. So here folders D drive Durga. Yes, here folder created. Folder created. D drive Durga, right? Yes. It's empty folder. Now select browse for that location. Browse. Yes. This PC in this D drive. Select D drive. Select D drive. Select D drive. Yes, from the D drive here. Yes, Durga folder. Yes, where is that? Yeah, here Durga folder. So click on OK. Folder selected. Location selected. Location selected. At this location, workspace. Workspace name is test WS is a workspace. Test WS. D drive Durga test WS. So this is workspace. Okay. So up to Durga is a path. Now this workspace name test WS. WS means workspace. WS means workspace. Test WS. Click on OK. See here. See this. Test WS folder created. It's a workspace folder. Workspace folder created. Now launching. Yes, loading that. Yes, at the time of launching it itself, yes, pick the all JDK software and integrating. Yes, at the time of launching Eclipse itself, at the time of launching itself, pick the all JDK software, picking JDK software and integrating. Yes, maximize. Now you can close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. See. So these are adjustable frames. You can adjust these frames. There are frames here. You can adjust as per the convenient here. As your convenient, you can adjust. You can adjust like this. These are adjustable frames. You can adjust like this. As per your convenience. Okay, you can adjust it here. Okay, yes. So what is next step? So workspace completed. After creating workspace, next projects. See workspace steps in document clearly mentioned. Launch Eclipse. Select workspace location using browse and provide name. Suppose sample WS. Okay, yes, like provide name like this. D drive test folder in the sample WS. Here sample WS is workspace name. Okay, after that, next close welcome screen, right? After this is done. Close welcome screen. It's closed. Okay, next create a project. Next step. Yes, next step, create a project. Create a project. Here this is, see this. Project Explorer. At this Explorer, right click here. Right click, new. Yes, project, right? Yes, suppose if you right click here, it shows some close. So don't go for this. Right click here, right click new projects. Now what's the type of project? There are different type of projects here. Okay, web application project, Maven project, JP project, JavaScript projects, easy project, different kind of things. First one, Java projects. It is Java project, first one. Okay, Java projects. Select Java projects. So next. After this project name is, let us say test. Test is a project name. See, use execution environment. Yes, 1.8, right? Automatically 1.8 selected. Reason here. Reason 1.8 installed here. Yes, path equal 1.8, right? 1.8. Path is set to the 1.8. That's the reason 1.8 selected. 1.8 selected. 1.8 selected. Okay. Yes. So the JDK 1. Java 1.8 selected. Okay. Automatic default selecting here. So based on your Java installations, based on JDK in your system, see Java home equal to 1.8. Yes, because of this path, Java home equal to Java home. Yes, we did the path like this, right? Yes, we are set up the Java form. So Eclipse looking for Java form value is a JDK 1.8. Okay, so automatically selected this is. Okay, next finish. Completed. Say yes. So project created. Project created. After creating projects, open expand here. Yes, this symbol means expand. You can expand it. Expand it. Yeah, this also you can extend. Expand it here. See Java JRE system library. So it's Java library. So that JRE is linked to your project automatically. Yes, Eclipse will integrate it here automatically. Okay, so project created. After creating project, what is next step here? Project is done. Next, create a package. So next step is create a package. Next step, create a package. Creating a package. How to create the package? See, go to SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. Okay. See here. So next, create project done. So right click on project explorer area. New project. Select Java project. Next. Project name tested. Environment 1.8. Yes, finish. Yes, creating a package. Yes, expand your project. Expand project. Right click. Yes, on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. Package. So the other steps very clearly prepared in document here. Package name. How to choose package name? Com dot C. How to choose package name? Yes, package name. Package name. Create a package. Yes, package name must be lowercase. You must use lowercase only here. Don't use uppercase. It's a coding standards. You must use lowercase. Okay. How to choose package name? Yes, com dot. Package name starting with either com dot or watch dot. Okay. Yes, com dot. Next, what's your yes? Com dot. Next, client name. For which client you working here? Client dot. Client dot. Next, project name. Project name. Press project dot. Next, what's a module? In which module you working here? Module. That module name. So these are the things here. So com dot or watch dot. Com means company. Watch means organization. Com means company. Suppose your client is a company, then use com here. Suppose your client is organization, yes, then use what here. Okay, yes, client is company, then use com here. Suppose client is organization, yes, we should use what here. That's it here. So company organization difference. Yes, any idea? Company and organization difference. Any idea? Yes, guys. Anyone idea about this? Company organization. Any idea? No idea. Company organization. Simple. Very simple. Company and organization difference. Company is a profit based. Organization is non-profit based. Company is a profit based. Organization is non-profit based. Company. Yes, all are employees. All are employees working for company. In organization, all are volunteers. No employees for the organization. All are volunteers. For example, NGO organization. All are volunteers. Okay. Yes, company. Durgasoft is a company. Okay, all are employees. Okay, organization means everything is free of cost. So com dot. So com dot. Yes. For example, here. For example. For example. Com dot. Client. Suppose my previous clients. PayPal. PayPal dot. Yes. Next project name. Yes. Payment gateway. Payment gateway. Dot module. Pay module. That's it. So com dot. That client name, not payroll company. Payroll company, different company DAC. Client is different. Okay. Yes. See, the client purchasing project too. So client name you have to mention here. Client name you have to mention. Not your payroll company. Yes. Client name. So com dot client name dot project name dot module. Pay module or receive module, something like this. Okay. Yes. Com dot. Now here I'm mentioning Durga. Durga. So com dot Durga dot. Yes, mnra dot. Mnra dot test. Mnra dot test. Then finish. Yes, pack is created. That pack is created. That pack is created. Pack is created. After creating package, what is next step here? Pack is created. After creating package, so next step, create a class. So create package, next create a class. Create a class. Now, yes, here package. Right click on package, new class. Right click on package, yes, class. Yes, class name, test, T caps. Name of the class is uppercase, starting with uppercase. Name of the class starting with uppercase alphabet. Test. So finish. Test.java. Okay, by the name of class, one file created. Test.java. No, this font size. You have to change the font size. How to change font size? Just a minute. Changing font size. So right click, preferences. Right click preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Okay. See, right click preferences, right click preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Okay. Yes, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Yes, go to Java. Select Java. Yes, Java editor text fonts. Edit, edit. Yes, font name something here, font style bold. Yeah, this leave as is. That's okay. Just go for bold here. Bold with thick letters. Visibility, clear visibility. Next size 18. 18 is okay. Yes. Okay. Apply. Yeah, then okay. That's it. Okay. Yes. Next main method public. Public. Static. Right. Main methods. Main methods. String yes caps. String square bracket ERGS. Okay. Yes. Starting ending. Okay. So main methods. So main methods. In main methods, yes, system dot, yes, out dot, println. System dot out dot println in this hello world. Yes, hello world, hello world, semicolon. That's it. Okay. Yes, after writing this main methods, next right click run as Java application. See that hello world. Yeah, this font size also we can change. This font size also we can change. Right click, run as, yes, Java application. So hello world output here. This is right click, run as Java application. Okay, running this is. This output font size also we can change. How? See, right click, preferences. Go to preferences, general, yes, appearance, colors fonts. Now here basic font, not Java font. Basic input output font, text font. Edit, yes, bold. 16 is enough output fonts. Okay, apply. Okay, done. That's it. Output font changed. So there are steps in this. Okay, see, I'm repeating all the steps once again here. Exit, Eclipse closed. Exit, closed. No repeating. First launch Eclipse. Yes, now already workspace created. Now it will launch existing workspace. It will launch for existing workspace. Okay, now suppose if you want new workspace, then new folder. Suppose D drive, D drive. Suppose mnra folder. So D drive mnra folder. D drive mnra folder. Yes, browse for that. Browse. Yes, D drive. D drive in this mnra folder. Okay. Yes, in this. Yes, now sample ws sample ws d drive mnraw. Okay, sample ws. Yes, sample workspace folder created. That's it. Browse for the location, then give the workspace name, path and workspace name. See, Yes. Close welcome screen. No project explorer. Here you can create a project. So next step, creating project. Right click, new projects. Project Java projects. So click on next. Click on next. Yes, next. Project name. Suppose sample is a project name. See 1.8 select automatically. So finish. Say yes. Completed. After creation of this project here, what is next step? Open this project. SRC. After next what? Package. Right click on SRC. Yes, new package. Yes, package. Com dot. Yes, Durga dot. Yes, MNR dot. Suppose from ABC package name. ABC. Finish. Yes, finish. Okay, finish. So create it. After creating package, next class. Right click on package, right click on package, new class. Yes, class name, sample. Class name, sample. Yes, create it. Okay, now changing font size. Again, changing font size. Reason, workspace changed. So here, every time of changing workspace, it's a new workspace. So you have to change settings here. So same workspace, not necessary. Okay, see here, right click, references, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Colors and fonts here. Java, select Java here. This Java editor text fonts. Edit, bold. Yes, font leave as this bold. And next 18 size. So okay, apply, then okay, done. After that, now main methods. In this main method, it's very simple. Type main keywords, control space bar. Okay, see, escape means cancel. Yes, control space bar. Yes, see, just type main method name, control space bar, control space bar. See, down arrow, up arrow. See, this first one main right. One second, okay. Control space bar. See, first one main method. Okay. So getting main method automatically, right? Generate automatically here. Next, syspo system.out.println syspo control space bar. Say this. Println. Yes. Hello world. Hello world. Okay. Suppose one more. Syspo control space bar. Automatically getting here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Welcome to Java. Welcome to Java. Save it. Control yes. Save it. Save it or else here save button available. You can go to here you can save it. Here you can save it. Save here. Or else control yes. See, this is working like a notepad, nothing. Windows Note. Control X, Control Z. See, Control A select all, Control A select all, Control X cut, Control Z undo. Yes, Control C copy. Same like a notepad. Okay. Now run it here. Right click, run as. Right click, run as Java application. See, hello world, welcome to Java, right? Yes, let us change this font size. Right click, profile preferences, general, appearance, colors fonts. Yes, colors fonts, the basic font here. Basic text font, edit, bold. Yes, 16, okay. Okay. Apply, okay, done. Completed. So there are steps in this. Yes, same workspace, you can create one more project. See, one more same workspace, one more project. Right click, new projects, Java projects. Yes, projects. Already Java projects showing here. Okay, now test is a project name. Project name test. Yes, 1.8. Finish. So project created. Expand it. Go to SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. New package. So project completed under the package com dot Durga dot yes MN dot suppose ABC is a package ABC is X with it package. So click on finish. Completed. Next create a class. Right click on this package new class. Yes, class name test class name. Test class name. So tcaps class name tcaps. Finish. Yes, created. Now go to place the cursor here. Main keyword, main control space bar. Yes, enter key. Next system.out and sysbo control spacebar. Yes, getting. Yes, this hello, hello world, hello world, hello world. Control yes, save it. Or else this save button. Click save here. Or else control yes. That's it. Control yes. Okay. After this, right click run as. Now run it here. Java application series. So here for the next project, font size not changed here. Because already over setting has done here. Okay, like this, one more project you can get, one more like this. Same workspace you can use multiple projects. Multiple projects you can get here. Multiple projects. Right click new. Suppose one more projects. Java projects. So demo projects. Demo finish. Demo project open here. SRC. Right click new class. Sorry, not class package. On SRC, new package. Package name. Com dots. Yes, Durga dots. Yes, MN dots. Some test package name. Test package name. Finish. Yes, in this now create a class new class. Yes, class. Class name demo. Class name demo. Yes, finish. Okay. Now in this main methods. Main type main control spacebar. Enter key. Okay, sysbo control spacebar. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Welcome to yes. 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 Control. Yes. Save it. Save it. Control. Save it. Right click. Run as Java application. Welcome to the package. See all these steps all in document. Just you can follow documents here. Create a package. That package steps here. Create a class. Right click on package. New class here. So class name test.java. Writing program. How to right click on main program file. Main method program file. Run as Java application. Yes, at console you can see hello world output here. So these are the steps in this. I hope everyone you understand clearly. Okay. So the other steps. So that's all. So you can same thing 1 second. Suppose semicolon behind of this error message, showing error message means compile working automatically. See this syntax error, compile working automatically. Behind of this Java compile working automatically. Next behind of the JVM working automatically. How these are working here? Manual development. Once you see manual development, you can understand very clearly. Next, one more thing. What is public? What is class? What is demo? What is this? One by one, we have to discuss all of these things here. Many things you are discussing this. What is main? What is wide? What is string? Square bracket arcs? What is system? What is out? What is printer? And all of these things we should discuss. That the topic we'll discuss next class. Next class. Yes, tomorrow don't have the class. Tomorrow Saturday I'm not taking class. Okay, Saturday I have some office work. Tomorrow unexpected work. So Monday I'll take next class. Next class Monday, same 6 o'clock time. Okay, 6 o'clock. Yes, till end of the batch, 6 to 7:30. No change in our timings. 6 to 7:30. Yeah, that's all. Yes, any doubts? Yes, if no doubts, let us wind up session. Yeah. So thank you guys. Yes. See you on Monday.